They say some swamps never let go of the dead, and some men are cursed to feed them. Silas was one of those men, a thief who robbed an ancient burial mound for coins. The swamp didn't kill him that night, it rewrote him. His bones twisted, his face stretched thin, and his hunger became something human flesh could barely satisfy. They call him the stalker in the swamp. I never believed the stories until I became one. He dragged me to his lair, a rotting mill where the walls breathed. I heard him pacing above me, sharpening, waiting. Then, the steps came closer. Thump, drag, right outside the door. I held my breath. The lock snapped. The door burst open, and then he stopped moving, because something else was already behind me. Follow me. Part 2 begins where the light dies.